Hello and welcome back. Last video I made shields exist in game. As you can see here. Today off camera I polished them a little bit because ChatGPT suggested that this is a better composition for a shield and our weapons. So this is the placeholder weapon for now. I designed the shields like this as well. But ChatGPT said that if we want to add more things later to weapons or to the shields, um, this composition is better because later I want to add spears into the game and they will have shaft showing option and the tip damaging option, and maybe we can add a bash. So as you can guess, we talked a little bit. Later we can maybe add a bashing option to the shield. So for now, um, this is changed. And this is how we'll be making shields, other items or weapons later on. With this, there are some other changes. Let's see. Shield. Uh, yes, this variables. Um, as you know, as you might know from the last video, I made the shields equipable, but oh right, I didn't apply all the changes yet. And this part actually makes the shields come up like this. Let me show you. Right now, if I equip this shield, it stands like this, which doesn't look that good. So we will have it angled a little bit like this and a little bit forwards from the actor. So these are exactly going to do that. Not yet though, because we have to add some sort of um, somewhere to pull up that information from the shield inside the actor script. No, sorry, hand script, because hand knows how to hold these. Apply grip. Yes, this right here. Has method apply grip, then apply grip. Okay, so hands will position and offset the shields. And we added a new group as well. Actually, we added two new groups. Shields and pickup items. Weapons already existed. This will make it so that pickup items currently includes shields and weapons. And we can add as many groups as well. As long as they are in pickup items, they will be equipable. Okay, left hand only enforced at the item level. This is a critical function in my opinion because I don't want people to dual wield shields, like having two shields on both hands. That's why I'm restricting shields to be offhand only. Later, we will have other offhand items, and this will work similar in that regard. Apply grip, yes. Hold by hand GD, yes. Action, blocking, and these are the basic functions of the shield. Okay, now, and we're going to change hand script as well with this, because of the restriction of for the shields and offhand weapons. No, not offhand weapons, offhand items. Because weapons doesn't care if it's offhand or on hand. Let's see. Yes, actor pickup doesn't include shields right now because we did these changes. We have to change these. We have to add these to all our weapon script, and we have to change this in actor script to this. Very minimal changes actually. Let's see. Blocking damage is already taken care of. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's start adding these changes one by one. Um, okay, let me change everything from the start. Script shield. This is the shield script, yes. I'm going to change everything, but I'm worried if it's going to break anything. It didn't seem to break anything, but it might be because shield script is isolated right now. Function equip item. At the top of equip item. Okay. So it wants us to add it here. That's okay. Control S to save. All script inside ready. Okay, we can do this easily. At the group. That's already done. And this one. Active GD. Control F. Weapons. This one to this one. Okay, let's see. Yes, we did this fix. Blocking damage. I'm pretty sure that those are already changed. We can pick both weapon and shield. But let's see. Okay, right now the blocking isn't working. I'm holding down the block button, but it's not working. Yes, signal incoming hit CTX dictionary. Active GD. I thought we added this, but let me check it once more. Yes, this is here. Start with take damage. Not close amount, not by direction. And emit CTX if CTX blocks return. Okay, already added this. Okay, I assume it's this as well. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. I'm pretty sure I did something wrong, but let's see. Okay, let me kill my own guys. Well, it seems I did nothing wrong, and right now I'm blocking perfectly, taking 0 damage. Okay, I'm going to let go to right mouse button and take both of these hits because I can't because I messed it up. Hmm. This knockback is bothering me, but we are going to fix it later. But as you can see, if you take double damage, you go farther and faster. That's what we want, but that makes knockback feel so much worse. Okay, let's see. Okay, we already have these signals. Okay, let's do this right now. Let's go back to shield and grip angle. Okay, let's put in 30 degrees first. Also, I want to try this. Since we limited shields for left hands only, but I can't equip on my left hand. Isn't this? Oh, okay. I did it to the wrong shield. This is shield 2. Okay. Whip angle 30. I have to have a weapon. We will fix it later. Hmm. 30 degrees, it seems okay-ish. Okay, let me do offset. Maybe 14 and y10 and angle 45 maybe. Let's try it. Okay, x-axis is this way and y-axis is that way. Because of the way Godot makes things, actors start here and their default direction is this way. So X is this way. So 18 was okay. Maybe 20 is better. 10, maybe that one 20 as well. So let's try it again. Okay, now it needs to be further back as X. And Y needs to go even more. Okay, Y 40 and 15. And also I'm going to put this shield here so I can grab it faster. It's already equipped. Okay. Okay, I have to make it minus y, I think. Let's try this one. again. Yes, but 40 is too much. Okay, minus 20. As you can see, I do these things, I feel mostly. Okay. Now minus feels too far. Yes, this looks okay. Actually, this looks not okay, no? Okay, I wanted to try this as well. If I put this pole and this shield as a child of my actor, how's that going to look? Okay, it looks exactly like design. But if I put it here and here, oh, they will still look weird. Why is that? Actually, they are not supposed to be like that. Weird. So when you do it from the editor, it doesn't work. Okay, let's try it again. Let's x is 10 and so 45 degrees is diagonal. And how about this? Let's find the actual degree here. And I've been doing it the hard way because we have a measuring tool here. No? Yes. Okay, let's see. 30, 60 degrees. Actually, even 75 is okay, but 60 or 45 is what I'm leaning for. Because mostly this will be visual. All the functionality will be inside it. And let's editable children and left hand field. Okay, ruler from here to here is 20 pixels. Okay, which means 12 y minus 12 and x is 20. Okay, perfect. Yes, you can close those. Let me go back. Oops, I want to do that. Minus 12 and 20 we said, right? Let's keep it 45-degree angles for now. As this looks okay-ish. Let's see. Editable children. Top and remove them. Okay, I'm going to have to move circle actor and put it again. And know why it's not moving this up. Why is it doing that? Why? What's happening right now? Why did it do that a second ago? Yes, I know I'm OCD. I don't have to do this right now, but this bothered me so much. And I put this too far away. Okay. By the way, with this this part of my OCD is not in vain at least. Later, these will be spawn points or some kind of spawn point thing. So that's why I want to test things while testing other things. As you might have been seeing while I'm dealing with this shield situation, the AI goes to town on each other all the time. So that's why I want them to all have the same starting positions. No advantage to anyone. Okay, this looks good for now, at least. This looks like a real person from the top down view, holding a shield and a sword. So we are just going to have to lock these inside the shield script. Mm-hmm. Angle degrees 45. Vector 18, 20, and minus 12. Okay, we're done. Now we're going to save this back to our game screen and delete these shields. I don't know, maybe I don't have to delete them, but I think that's the safest approach. And check if it works. Yes, this is what we want. Later we can add that when you press block for visual aid, that it moves in front of you, like, and literally be like this. So 45 degrees, it is its resting position, and you move to 60 degrees or 75 degrees. Now it's blocking, and back, you are resting again. Move it in front of you and block. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know yet. I don't know how I feel about it yet. How I'm going to visually represent the blocking. For now, this is enough for shields to exist, and we all can see that they work. Okay, what else? Okay, next time we are going to have our newest weapon. These are all already working. Next time we are going to have our first real weapon, maybe two. I don't know. Maybe next time I will make a spear in on itself as a functionality because it will be a thrusting weapon. Contrary to swinging weapons like these ones, and we can add a little bit of flair to our game and some visuals, change these poles into something at least sword looking. And also I want to add, right now I am blocking and attacking, I want to add a bit of fairness because this makes shields too overpowered. We're going to polish it a little bit more, and we're going to make it so we can equip shields without equipping a weapon. Right now I'm pressing E, default equip button for now, and it's not equipping the shield. But when I get a sword and press E again, it fills up the slot. So that's actually by design, but that's not what I intended. It is so because if you want to, well, I'm sorry, I'm going to restart again. If you want to dual wield, you first fill out your dominant hand, which is right hand, and if you want a second weapon, you go here and press. Can you leave, Manu? You go here and press E again, so it fills out your left hand as well for this pincer type of attack. But unfortunately, that functionality doesn't work with doesn't work well with shields. We want to equip shields even if we have no weapons around. So we are going to fix that as well. Maybe fix this too. Maybe we can make it so that you can equip let's think about it. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not going to think about it on camera. We're going to find a way to dual wield and sword plus shield in a in a smarter way, more cohesive way at least. That doesn't feel this counterintuitive. So most of things will be done next video. I might draw the basic sword shape off camera. I don't know, maybe we will see. Or well, spear is going to be easy because I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a single triangle in front of this pole looking shape already. Only put its node around here, and it's going to move forward and come back. We are going to do that with the offsets as well. So it's not going to swing like this one from the pivot. Maybe when we change this into a sword, we can move this pivot upwards because swords are held from here if you think that they have cross guards here. So this actually looks like a poor sword. And when it's a spear, oh, it's turned into a hammer. But when it's a spear, it's going to be thrusting forward and coming back. We will change that as well. Okay, that's it from me today. If you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them. As I always say, I have no experience in this kind of thing. I'm just feeling and trying as I go. So any suggestions are appreciated. Take care.